Hey friends, if you encounter this error where local security authority cannot be contacted in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the internet connection, and how would you do that? It's very simple. Just go to this website fast.com. Okay, and check the internet speed here. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next one, because if the internet speed is not good enough, then how will the local security authority be contacted anyway? The next one is to restart your computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown and sign out, and then select restart. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. So this will start scanning the system for any missing or corrupt files, and eventually it will fix it if possible. And lastly, you can check the system for updates. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. Okay, so this is how easy it is. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.